Welcome to View and Do 3.4, Yang and Structure. So listen to and watch the Jing here that you've clicked into and follow along with the text below. Write a one-page response, 300 words, where you say what you learned from reading the section below and following along with the Jing, and post it to the text box of D2L Dropbox for this View and Do. So we're thinking about structure here. And I'm interested in you structuring your essay in some other way than just straight, it starts here and then you do this and you do that and then the end kind of thing. Use these kinds of structuring ideas that I present in this View and Do. So here's the problem you have to tackle with telling the story of your essay. Any writer runs up against the insidious demands of linear presentation of the material because chronology dissipates all the emphatic force of the narrative. And when you're writing your essay, use the simple past tense for the immediate past tense. The events have happened to you or to whoever you're talking about in the near past. Here are the graphical elements I'm interested in. Use white spaces, part of the composition that indicates a change of time or place. This necessitates reduces the need for you to do transitional sorts of things, and speeds up the essay, speeds up the reading experience. Okay, segment your essay. Section off the white spaces or rows with asterisks or subheadings in italics or boldface. Example, beginning the 11 of the 12 sections with the same sentence first. For instance, segmentation announces that the progress through the essay will not be linear, but sequential, using juxtaposition, etc. for effect. Okay, so here are some other structuring motifs. Alternate narration. Use one or two narrators and alternate between the two of them. Reflection. You need to have a certain amount of reflection in these kinds of essays. You want to stop motion, stop time, and reflect on what is happening. Provide isolated units with reverberating lengths. An essay using the motif of a necklace, for instance. Learn to read the structure of an essay as well as its ideas. So here are some specific terms. Juxtaposition, posing items next to each other. Parallelism, two or more narratives running side by side. Patterning, significant grouping of formal characteristics. Accumulation, and journaling. Okay, so in Yang's structure, think about the various structuring modalities I've listed above and discuss Yang's essay. Field notes on here in terms of structure. Take this up and then take this opportunity to brainstorm your own essay in terms of structure. Okay, the idea here is not to produce a linear narrative, and this is not what Yang does. It's not what the essay that we read at the beginning of this section, Pollack does not give us a linear narrative either. She gives us a narrative that is topical. It is determined by the ideas that she has, and that's what Yang does here too. Okay? All right, thanks.